Hi guys, welcome to Lesson World. Today I'm taking you on a ride along the Manchester airport area, and hopefully you'll appreciate what it is like driving on UK roads, on UK motorways, or maybe in your country you call them highways. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Consider hitting the subscribe button to join the family. Enjoy!